Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can switch to the light theme in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. So as you can see, I'm using the dark theme, which is usually also the default color theme for the Waterfox web browser. So if you'd like to change it, guys, you will need to access your your browser settings. To do that, click into these three lines at the top right, navigate to, let me find it, to settings here. And inside your settings, what you want to do, guys, is navigate to general here. And from there, scroll down. So let me do that really quickly and find the layout. There we go. We got the website appearance. So under language and appearance, you can choose between automatic, light, and dark. There are, of course, other color themes and extensions in the extension center. So if you'd like to download these from the Waterfox browser extension center, that's up to you guys, but these three here are available. So let me switch to light, and that's how it would look like, guys. So let me switch back to automatic or dark and so on. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.